Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Thata GG. I have here a speed cube. And this is really fast. But anyway, even it's fast, I cannot fix it together because I don't know how. So, I want to ask my son here to do it for me. But first, I want to have a timer how long he can do it. So, let's give a try. I'm gonna fix first. No, I mean mix it together. So let's do this. Anyway, I tried to learn it like 2 years ago in my young age, but I cannot do it. I tried to use the YouTube's learning style, but still I cannot do it. I think I have fixed one time, but it's really not easy. But I'm so much surprised with my son. He can do it very fast, very quick. So let's see how he do it. Just a moment. So look at here. This is really totally mixed, very mixed. Okay. Come here, my son. Yeah, now he will do it, and let's start the time. Wow. I don't know, but it's a little bit tricky how he can do that. Before I was just thinking, how could other people do it? But now I cannot believe my son can do it. And not just can do it, he can do it like faster. Let's see how long he can do it faster. I'm very much proud mother, because me myself cannot do it. Okay. Wow. Really? I can see now the progress. Ooh. Da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da! 1 minute and 24 seconds, right? Wow, you're so good, Langga. So, guys, I'm proud with my son. Thank you for watching, guys, and I don't know if you can try to do it for yourself, but there was some videos on YouTube how to do it. I have tried one time, but I forgot how, but I'm very much proud and surprised how could my son do it. But I just want to share that news. So bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.